Hi,
Your name, please.
Shalaka Sarkar, and my son is in standard 6 from Ryan International itself, Kandivali.
How he's liking Kankan?
He's liking it a lot. In fact, he's downloaded this app on my mobile, and in that he's been practicing. So, but the first time I heard about Kenken was when this competition came to school. Otherwise, before that, to be honest, we had not heard of
No,
it.
ma'am, that's true because we are the one who actually brought this word to India. So that's perfectly alright if you haven't heard it before.
Sudoku and all was very common,
Yes.
but Kenken was something new, and
Yes, very new.
he got drawn towards it because I think he likes maths a lot, and he could see all those signs, divide, addition, subtraction. So I think that is what was really fun for him.
The main idea why we introduced this particular thing is we want the kids to be drawn towards it rather than they are being pushed towards it, because most of the time what happen, I also am a parent of a 8-year-old kid. So the whole idea of this particular concept was where the kid want to do it, so they solve they play puzzle on mobile, they play Silver Surfer and stuff like that. We actually wanted that the same way they take education, that they take games, they should also drawn towards education.
That's a very good thought, and I think kids who like maths a lot will be the ones who will get drawn towards it more. Because that's what I've seen. For this, to be precise, I never helped him out. To be honest, he himself went online. He checked out what was available. He tried to solve a few puzzles first. But first time it was difficult for him because he didn't understand how it works. So I told him, go to some site and I'm sure there will be some shortcuts to it or some tips to it. So try to find that out. But he figured it out himself, and I was happy that way because there's no shortcuts in this. And he's very comfortable with it right now.
That's a real learning, right? If the kid is drawing and finding the solution on its own.
Absolutely. In today's world where you can Google everything, I just told him find some tips and do it. But he himself figured out. He said, I'll figure out what to do and I'll do it myself. And I'm glad he came to this level.
Very good. We wish all the best for him to go forward. I just wanted to ask, have you ever tried Kankan?
I've tried. When he's practicing, I sit aside and I've tried it. It's quite interesting, quite easy as well, to be honest. All those levels, unlike Sudoku, there are a lot of levels in this 5x5, 6x6. So that is again something. So for him, if he completes a 5x5, it's a challenge. I go to 6x6 and then go to the next and then go to the next. So it goes on like that.
So it has a progressive learning.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That keeps him more interested.
Honestly speaking, would you recommend Kankan to friends and families?
Definitely, because the child is involved and he's learning something new. His concentration level is increasing, and again, I think his logical thinking and everything is also getting affected by this. And I'm happy as a parent about it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.